promise you my love is yours forever. Girl, no matter come what may.